Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport Australia, New South Wales. We're located at Caringbah. If you want to know where we are, just want to show you guys the actual. This is the actual 996 turbo that I was working on last week, just before I think 2 weeks ago before the holidays, and now I just came back quickly today to finish it off because my tool broke, so it just broke off. So I got three out. Got three out here, 1, 2, 3. I got it out with that tool there, and then that one snapped off or just worn off. The actual inside of the actual socket was just tool worn, so it wasn't grabbing the actual broken stud. So I had to go back, had to go to Sydney Tools, and I bought this one here so I can use that one there. So I had to use two tools, but when you use two tools, it's still cheaper than actually hiring someone to come and do this for you. The Fred repair guys will actually charge a lot just to do those four, so it's cheaper to buy the tools and do it yourself. And I find this is probably the best tool in the market for something like this, is these ones here. So I've got another video that I showed how it's done, but just want to show how I'm really happy now. I can actually relax a little bit, because really stressful when you do them, because if they break, then you got to start drilling it. So I had to just gotta be patient and take it out properly. Okay, so that's all done. So now I'm gonna get the exhaust. I'm gonna actually I'm gonna put my smoke tester there, and then put the smoke tester there now, and then actually put new start for that one, and a new start for that one, because the other one is broken. So, but the exhaust all pretty much rusted. So I'm going to do the test first, and then I'm going to get the parts next week to assemble everything back. But at the same time, I'm going to tell the customer the things I found with the car. So the actual PSM lights off. Got special tool to actually turn the light off on the cluster. But this is where we're up to this vehicle here. So a quick update of what I've done. So pretty much got all those little bad guys out. So the next step is actually check this one here, exhaust manifolds, make sure they're not broken or cracked. Usually the 996s, they crack here. So when you actually, they crack on the corner inside there. So most of the time when you have a 996 exhaust manifold leak, they usually leak from the gaskets, and at the same time they leak from here, from this part here of the actual exhaust manifold. So what you can do is actually, you can actually send this away, and they can get it welded around there, all around there, welded, and here as well. 1, 2, 3, and same on this one here, or just get a brand new one if you don't want to get it welded. But that's every time you get it out, just get it welded, because sometimes they crack inside here as well. So somebody done the job before and they used elastic, they didn't replace the gasket, so you can see it's all damaged, the gasket. They reused the gasket and all that. See that stuff there? That shouldn't be there. So do not use any elastic, just change the gasket, clean it and change it first. Don't leave it like that, no need for it, because they'll leak anyway. So depending how far we're going to go with the exhaust, but I'm going to let the customer know. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.